Alright bro, real talk. Why does it feel like every year you grind harder, but your bank account still looks like it's fighting for its life? Like you're leveling up in effort, but your money's stuck at level 1. You try saving, you try being responsible, but it never hits the way it should. It's like the math isn't mathing anymore, and no one warned you about it. You budget, you plan, and bro, something always pops up like it was waiting backstage. Your paycheck hits, and boom, it vanishes faster than your Wi-Fi at midnight. And the crazy part, you're not even buying fancy stuff. You're not popping bottles or flexing anything. But somehow, your money dips harder than your motivation on a Monday. And here's the wild part, bro, it's not even your fault. Companies literally design this stuff so you spend without thinking. The notifications, the auto-renew subscriptions, the stuff that feels small. It's all built to make you unconscious if you don't wake up to. These traps, they'll drain you for years without you even noticing. Today, we're exposing the money traps hiding in plain sight. The ones draining your wallet while you think everything's fine. What's up guys? Sam here. Welcome back to Sam the Finance channel. Smart money moves start here. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos that help you keep your cash where it belongs, in your pocket. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor, just your internet homie helping you avoid going financially extinct. We're breaking down the sneakiest money traps in your daily routine, how they catch you, how to escape them, and how to keep more money without sacrificing the things you love. Watch this until the end. It will change how you see your everyday life. Bro, most of us wake up and run on autopilot. And yo, autopilot is expensive. Those tiny morning costs you ignore? They're quietly stacking up like a subscription you forgot about. But once you make your morning intentional instead of reactive, you stop leaking money before the day even starts. Morning emotions hit hard, man. Your willpower is low, your impulses are high, and boom, half your impulse buys happen before noon. But when your morning feels calm and intentional, you stop stress buying for quick dopamine hits and start the day without blowing cash. Here's the sneaky part. Your brain makes like 35,000 decisions a day. So if you burn half your energy deciding random stuff in the morning, your discipline later gets wrecked. That's why simple pre-planned routines save your wallet way more than you think. Bro, lunchtime is one of the biggest money traps and we don't even notice it. Convenience feels like the only option. But convenience is literally the most expensive habit in America. Most guys are dropping 60 to $100 a week just because they think they don't have time. And then there's the social pressure. Man, every invite, every come on, just one drink. Suddenly your wallet's getting jumped by the group chat. Millennials and Gen Z are easily blowing $3,000 a year just because saying no feels awkward. And don't get me started on impulse buys. Midday stress hits, and suddenly we're like, I deserve this. But bro, 70% of impulse purchases happen during work breaks. It's basically slapping a band-aid on a broken dam and calling it therapy. Bro, subscriptions are literally built to disappear into the shadows. Half the time you don't even remember signing up yet they keep eating your wallet every month. It's like paying rent for apps you don't even use anymore. These algorithms know you better than your situationship, dude. They know exactly what to show you to make you click without thinking. And before you realize it, boom, your card is full and your money's gone. Auto renewals are basically digital sinkholes, man. Companies make canceling so annoying that most people just give up. And that I'll do it later mindset. Yeah, that's how they keep draining you. Man, evenings are wild. Your brain is tired, your self-control is basically dead. And suddenly everything feels like a treat. That's why people drop way more cash after 6 p.m. without even noticing. It feels like a reward, but most of the time, it's just regret waiting to happen. Stress hits different at night, bro. And that's when the doom spending kicks in. Buying stuff just to feel something. It's wild because almost everyone thinks, I'll stop next week, but next week never comes. Late night shopping hits like drunk decision making. Your impulse brain takes over, and suddenly you're buying stuff that future you will definitely roast you for. Gen Z makes the most random purchases between 9 p.m. and 2 a.m., and honestly, it makes sense. Let's talk about the tiny micro fees that drain your wallet without you even noticing. These little charges are designed to fly under your radar, and before you know it, they stack up like crazy. It feels small in the moment, but over a month it hits harder than you expect. Every convenience around us comes with a hidden tax. Bro, the easier they make something look, the more they charge you for it on the back end. It feels like you're buying time. But most of the time you're just buying traps. Late fees are literally money you lose just because you forgot. It's like paying a penalty for not being perfect every day. And that adds up way faster than you think. One small slip becomes a whole month of regret. Bro, keeping up with everyone is the fastest way to stay broke. Most of us overspend just because we don't want to feel left out. But the truth, half the people flexing can't even afford what they're showing off. Lifestyle creep hits different, man. Every time your income goes up, your spending tries to go even higher. And before you know it, you're leveling up everything except your actual savings. Cultural expectations can drain your wallet without you even noticing. Sometimes we spend just because everyone does it, even if it messes up our goals. Real power is choosing your own lane, not following the crowd off a cliff. Real talk. The tiny habits you ignore today can turn into massive consequences later. $5 a day feels like nothing now, but that's over 18,000 gone in 10 years. Future you is either gonna thank you or roast you. The truth is, when you ignore small problems, they come back 10 times harder. A tiny leak, a weird noise, a small repair, all that stuff becomes stupid expensive later. Handle it now before it blows up like a boss fight. No shade, but if you don't make a plan, you're basically driving blind. People who plan save way more because they actually know where their money's going. A simple, flexible plan is like having GPS for your wallet. Today you learn the hidden money trap silently draining your cash every day. From digital habits you don't notice, to emotional spending, to routines and social expectations that push you to overspend. But now that you see these traps clearly, they can no longer control you. Awareness is the first step toward taking your money back. If this video helped you spot the traps around you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. And tell me in the comments, which money trap hit you the hardest? Let's break these patterns together. This is Sam from Sam the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. Take care of your money, and it'll take care of your future. See you in the next one.